Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to POPEYE Filming Studio, the first channel name. And right now this is going kind of be one vlog channel and behind the scenes channel. Mostly or mainly maybe me I go run it. But let me say now. So guys, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and please, just like the video them. That's how me have begun. Because this year go be kind of one like a vlog combine like, because we never did really prepare for no vlog thingy. So yeah, we saw upload. Papa, say hello for behind the scenes. I've been calling you for a while.
Oh yeah, we are shooting behind the scene. You know, it's not PFS film. It's POPEYE Filming Studio, and
oh, if you movie this too?
No, we're filming for Candy.
Oh.
So we are here to support.
Yes.
So
this
please
is what
go and subscribe to Candy Progressive TV. It's progressive TV. Remember, you know.
Big up on yourself, man. One love. One love every time. Candy Progressive TV. Go over, like, subscribe, leave a comment and share. Love you guys.
I was gonna see it in the Google, and that's Charmaine and
Ashley.
look at Ashley. We look like twins, too.
No, you do not.
We don't look like twins.
Yeah, no. Man. Yeah, Candy, I take a break, guys.
Yeah, man, that'll work.
That's my management.
Peace and love.
Oh, wait. Come again. Yeah.
Peace
and
when
do you talk, Shani? Jesus.
I'm alive.
Weird. You're alive? Okay, good. Yes, guys, there's Puppy. You're walking a circle, continue. Yeah, continue walking a circle.
No one ever mad.
Jump now, jump.
Just jump and say.
Yeah, just jump all on. And say, wee! Are your back flick if you want to look like a Spider-Man?
You go land perfectly fine. Just jump.
No, yeah, don't tell him that. Alright, chill now, chill. You want to take now?
Yes, sir.
Mine a drop door.
Yes, this is Jeremy Henry, aka POPEYE or JR. Wagwan. Wagwan. You're good? Alright. Youngsters them look call up my name, is it? In a happy tree, yeah?
Yeah, boy.
So, want to subscribe to my channel? Cause this is a big deal. Yeah. Big deal. So if you don't want Aki, if you want to support KFC, so you can support me. You buy a dozen, you get one. Yeah, this is a big deal. Buy a dozen Aki, you get half dozen.
How much? That no make no sense. Oh,
Yeah.
half dozen free?
Yeah, then get half dozen free.
How much you sell it for?
I sell a dozen. Aki, reasonable. 500 a dozen.
That no reasonable, that's a robbery.
That more than the KFC chicken on the pay $1,420 for. That's I'm going to 500 a dozen. Plus I get half dozen more.
Top spit for me up front there.
So that is a cook food business. Don't mind who they behind the camera, because I say me a pick pan man come for me there. I ain't still a bite him.
You see now bite me. You know understand.
A few moments later.
For the elders them, not for the youngs, you know? I don't climb tree for the youngs, I climb tree for the elders. Right now, I shape people. I'm
Hey, the afraid of heights? Eh?
Huh?
You afraid of heights?
I'm afraid of height?
Yeah.
The higher the monkey climb, the more you expose yourself.
I don't know.
Your mother never tell you that?
Nope.
Well, you never do no things in your life.
My mother no use proverb on me.
Huh?
My mother barely use proverb on me.
I don't know them words.
Are you bright? Take it, my mother done. Boy. Alright, wait guys, we'll be back again.
Oh, give me the tick. Yeah. Remember, I'm supporting. Buy a dozen, you get 6 free.
Yeah.
It is a big deal. You can't get no ackee like this, no way. 6 ackee. Right now, ask anybody in my lane. You have to put camera up on there, about 10 camera watching right now. Look on the good, if you think I joke now, mate. Sweetest ackee them. You see how they look?
Sweet and fine.
When they cook them all, you never cook this girl woman, the woman left you. Right away. Well, you see it? Twice it.
Okay, come, let's go.
Go.
Yeah, please. Sit there. I know. But yeah, sit there. Okay. Yes, okay. Sit there. Okay. Premium, okay. How much is Safari, Papa? How much is Safari?
Buy a dozen, you get 6 free.
Yeah.
Big deal.
Premium, okay. It's a big deal.
Can't lose our fight.
Oh, look
You can't tell all our places where they found Akia go Switzerland, Germany, America. I don't know if none go Panama. But I know say go Antigua, Bahamas and them places. But I don't know about Panama yet. But I don't mind reach a Panama. If you get an Airbnb, it will reach a Panama. Oh yes, the Jamaican restaurant over there, we can link them up, we can call them and chat them for them.
Yeah.
Yes, we can cook you all this.
Yeah, cooking national dish. Embrace the culture.
I not want to charge them, I just want them to cook and eat breakfast every day all the time. Alright. I'm sure she has to do
One teeny tiny okay. And now one big okay. Yes. And here's the next teeny tiny one. Here
So
go.
it's a twin.
Yes.
Twin.
I could never twin. One defended, one a malfunction. One did on my next one. But yeah, don't know if then change. Sit here. Well, go. Well, you wash Aki? Yeah, I wash Aki.
No, we're gonna clean it.
We're gonna clean it.
Yes,
Yeah.
And then we're gonna wash it and then we're gonna cook
I don't
it.
fancy Aki. I don't care about Aki. But yeah, I know me. I gotta do it though. Come on. We're gonna clean it. Welcome, we made it to the end of the video. Make sure if you like, comment, share, subscribe. I got nothing much or nothing more to say, and this is a new channel, so please support it. Alright, peace.